Hi everyone, this is Rosie's Reviews. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official. Alright, so let's get started. The item I'm going to be reviewing today is a Pedi Scrub and a sponge. It takes up to, you can use it up to 20 washes, 20 plus, so it can be even more than 20. So I found this at Ulta and I was like, what is this? Like, it had really good reviews, but I'm like, I have to try it myself and review it to make sure that it's something I like. I want my feet to be soft all the time, not just, during the summer or spring. I want my feet to be soft during the winter and fall as well. Even though I'm not really showing off my feet, I want them to be nice and smooth. So I went into Ulta. I browsed through like products for your feet and I was like, ooh, I gotta try this. It had really good reviews online, so I'm like, I need to order it and take a look. I had a gift card, so I was like, oh, let me go ahead and try it out. So that's what I did. So right now I'm using it for my mom. I bought a total of 2, one for my mom and one for myself, and I'm just giving her a little express pedicure. Something I can just do at home. And like I said, this is for 20 plus washes, so it's pretty cool. So this Pedi Scrub and a sponge is made out of shea butter and tea tree oil, lavender tea tree oil. So it's really nice because you can get the scent on one side like a soap, like a soapy, and you get the scrub on the other side, so you can smoothen your feet and make them very smooth and smell really nice. And then the other side you can scrub it all in the one way. A lot of times we get lazy and we have the exfoliating cream, but we choose not to use it because it takes time to have your feet be wet, or if you're in the shower, open up the jar, take out the exfoliating cream, put it on your feet, grab your hand or grab a rock, and then start scrubbing. So this is just already all in there. It's ready. It's Pedi and a scrub and a sponge, so it's you're sandal ready year round. And you want to nourish your feet with the soothed blend of tea tree oil and shea butter, and that's what this is. Directions, so I'm just going to tell you the directions, how it's supposed to be used. I mean, I'm using it how it's supposed to be used, but this is what it says. It's used as every day or as needed to nourish, invigorate, and revitalize through wet, sponge, and squeeze to form a creamy lather. Exfoliate and massage all over your feet. After each use, squeeze out excess water and store in a dry area. So that's what I did. After I finished with my mom's express pedicure, I gave it to her so she can use it and during bath time or shower time. You always want to use this, when you're taking a shower because your feet are already soaked up. If not, if you want to, do like a little something to relax you can always fill in water like this one, like a little tub of water, put in some of the some of that bubbles or anything that relaxes your feet. They sell some of those things that those salts, you can always do those, and something if you're on your feet all day, this would be really nice. So that's what I'm doing because my mom, she has a hard time doing it herself, so I'm just helping her out. Yeah, you can use it in the shower, after shower, and the skin looks and feels better. So one thing I did not like very much is that the scrubbing part is not very rough. It's not very harsh. So I feel like maybe if I use it every day, it will be helpful. But for me, I wanted it to be rougher on the one side, not as soft. I feel like it was too soft. So I will let you know how it goes in the comments. But right now, I mean, it smells nice and I like how easy it was. So I definitely recommend it. I mean, try it out. Why not? If you have, of course, deep calluses, I don't know if this would do any good. I would probably recommend using one of those cheese shredder feet things that they have that, for your feet. Or soaking your feet more and using that rock. So that's the finished look, and I hope you found my the review helpful and how I did my mom's express pedicure. And this is the finished look. I'll see you guys in the next video.